Hello, my name is Mike from the Automotive Approach. Today we're going to be taking you through a quick video tour of our BMW 325d Msport Touring. So this is our BMW 325d Msport Touring. It's a 2008, it's covered just over 98,000 miles from new. It's got 4 former keepers with a whopping 11 service stamps in the book, showing how well it's been looked after. Whilst in our care, we've given it a service, changed the glow plugs and control unit, new disc and pads on the rear, had the alloys refurbished in dark anthracite, properly done, powder coated all the way through. And we've also put 2 new Michelin Pilot Sport 4s on the rear to give it a full matching set of Michelin Pilot Sport 4s. Not the cheapest of tyre, but they're really, really good. We've also given it fresh MOT with no advisories and a full 102-point independent mechanical inspection. Overall, it's in really, really good condition for an 08 plate that's covered over 98,000 miles. Odd little mark here and there, but nothing to worry about with the age and mileage. Inside, got the full heated leather seats in the front, satellite navigation, it's got the really good iDrive system, AM/FM radio, CD player, aux input, steering wheel controls, flappy paddles on the steering wheel for the gearbox, automatic gearbox, air conditioning too, front and rear parking sensors. You've also got privacy glass in the rear. Seats are all in really, really good condition. The interior overall is in really, really good condition. Good sized boot too. Tend to find these larger engine BMWs a really, really good blend of practicality and performance. Really nice to drive. Lovely straight 6 diesel engine. Loads and loads of power to play with. As always, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. And if you have any more questions or queries, please get in touch.